थोड़ा बाबुल कांग ना भावे डेरा प्रिया का बात सारी तेरे मर्जी समझा ले।
Well, I must say, Amit, your fashion game is on point as well today. We love it. It's great. Okay, quickly, we're going to now call on stage our next judge. Well, he started his musical journey towards the end of the 90s when he co-founded the Bandish Project. He has performed at numerous music festivals across the world. He has become a case study for successful homegrown music circuit that isn't primarily or necessarily Bollywood. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and the only Nuclear. There you go, all smiles. All right, that's great. Okay, now we do have our two lovely gentlemen here. I think we should call in the third gentleman, yes. If you're wondering who that is, well, he's hot, he's handsome, he's popular, and he's also the host of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the very, very cool Karan Taka. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready for the goddess of music in India. That's right. Lata Mangeshkar was once quoted saying that this girl is the best singer of the current generation, and we couldn't agree more. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge on the remix, put your hands together for the lovely, the extremely talented Sunidhi Chauhan.
थोड़ा बाबुल कांग ना भावे डेरा प्रिया का बात सारी तेरे मर्जी समझा ले।
All right. Vijay, I request you to please join our lovely. Okay, so here we have it, media. Here's your moment, your photo op moment. There you go. Let's have Amit. All right, Nuclear, let's have you on. And of course, can we have Mr. Tacker? What a jacket. Love the jacket. All right, thank you so very much. We request all our judges and Vijay to please come back on stage. अब हमें पता है कि आपको बहुत सारे सवाल करने हैं इनसे, लेकिन आपके सवालों से पहले मेरे भी 2-4 सवाल हैं, तो मैं पहले कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद we're going to throw the floor open to all the media questions. So we request you to please take your seats, Sunidhi. Magically, chairs appear, and we're going to now be seated. Could we have Vijay back on stage, please? All right. Firstly, congratulations for the amazing trailer launch that we've had today. It looks trippy, it looks exciting, and we all can't wait for the 9th of March to finally be here. So first things first, let me start off with you, Vijay. Now, the Remix is an Amazon Prime original. We're very excited. India's very first digital reality show. Why did you think of this to be the very first on Amazon Prime?
Well, firstly, like I said earlier, entertainment and music is in our DNA. So that was an easy choice. Second, overall, within the space of unscripted, the themes that we're really pursuing passionately are the ones that connect with young India. The beauty about music is while it resonates very strongly with young people, its broad appeal makes it, a choice that we could not resist. And thirdly, really, was we fell in love with the format. We loved what it could do. We loved the fact that it pushes the creative envelope so very strongly through musical innovation and experimentation. We said this is the first thing that we need to be launching.
All right. Very well said. I'd like to bring the next question to you, Sunidhi. Firstly, let's all take a moment to acknowledge the poster behind you and the trailer that we just saw. I think if there's anyone who could have rocked that gown with the fabulous baby bump, walking in style and defining woman power, it had to be you. Love it, don't we?
Thank you. So sweet. Thank you very much.
So, of course, you were pregnant while you were shooting for the entire series. Firstly, how was that experience for you? I mean, it's one thing being pregnant, it's a whole other thing being a judge. Pressure galore. What was going on in your mind?
Yes, it was difficult, but thanks to the Remix team, Amazon, Grey Matter, who made me feel so comfortable. I was like absolutely at home when I was on the sets. And I cannot forget to mention these two amazing gentlemen sitting besides me, and Karan. Pregnancy feel ही नहीं हुआ. I mean, सबसे crucial time में तो ये show हो गया. So everything just was so smooth, and I was most happy during my pregnancy. And yeah, so
That's
thank
great
you. Thank you, guys.
That's great to you. Also, I'd like to bring this point to all of you, that we do know that this is not the first music show that you've judged. But what makes the Remix different from the other shows that you've judged?
The concept itself, the format of the show, it's never been done before. आपने ऐसा कुछ पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा TV पर. और the new thing is that it's on the digital platform right now, which is Amazon Prime. And बहुत ही वैसे तो remixes आप सुनते हैं फिल्मों के गानों में, लेकिन on this show, it's going to be totally a different approach. यहाँ पे point ये है कि how you make a remix sound new and original, if you know what I mean. गाने तो आप वही Bollywood से लेंगे, but how to make them sound absolutely new is a task on this show, and it's pretty difficult as well. So that's what you're gonna see in the show. And it's beautiful. It's beautifully done. I also want to mention the whole production, you know, the graphics, lights, dancers, performances. They are more like acts than just performances. ऐसा नहीं है एक singer आके सिर्फ गा के चला गया. It's everything together. And you love them. You know all these singers, these DJs, and they've done a fabulous job.
That's great. Thank you so very much, Sunidhi. Amit, I'd like to bring the next question to you. Now, we do know that you always dish out some amazing music to us with your Bollywood films, and might I add, even the ad jingles. We love them as well. What do you think of the music on the remix? What can we expect?
The most exciting thing that Sunidhi said, that the format was so amazing. When I was introduced to this format for the first time, and when I saw it, it was truly new for me. And genuinely, I'm saying it was, I had never seen something like this before. And I wanted to be a part of this. You have the name remix. When anybody hears the name remix, it sounds a little cliche, na? Remix gana. But this show is not just remix. It's the way this remix is done. It's the collaboration between two people. One is the singer, and another is the music producer. For the first time in the history of music reality shows, I think we are emphasizing on music producers also. It's the first time that is happening. The people behind the music, people behind the voice. So that emphasis is happening here. And the way they are, whatever songs that you have heard so far, the way they are twisting, rejigging it in their own style, bringing in their own personality, with experimenting with different genres that are there in current scenario, whether you talk about trap or you talk about tropical house or hip-hop or any such genres, to listen to your old favorite classic in this genre, in this setup, it's totally amazing and it's totally new and it's very next level. I think it's a really next level thing. And like how Sunidhi said, that to top it all, when you have these two people doing their act, there are these amazing graphics as well as the choreographers. And the singers are not just singing in one place and singing, they're dancing and singing. So overall, it's an experience which has never seen before. I have never seen before in so many Indian reality shows that I have seen. So this is one of a kind and way to go.
That's amazing. So it's a musical as well as a visual extravaganza for all of us.
Absolutely.
That's great. We can't wait, seriously. Nuclear, we love you. Bass Rani, I think, is one of the most popular songs in the nation. Everyone grooves to it. And I might add that India loves its DJs as well. So for the very first time, we're seeing this equation on a reality show. And we can't wait to see how this turns out. Right now, we've just seen the trailer. You've given us a tease. Your first reality show. How excited are you?
Really excited. It's a great platform. मुझे तो इसलिए ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि mostly देखा जाता है कि music reality shows होते हैं, they kind of revolve around the singer most of the time. And in general, also in the music industry, you see like the composers and the producers, they kind of do the non-spotlight sort of a job, you know. And this is the only show which is not only hunting for a singer, but also looking out for a producer. And not just hunting for a producer, but also giving the producer that spotlight which she needs, you know. So I feel proud to be associated with this. It's quite incredible.
Well, we can't wait. And I keep saying this, but that's only and only because I've seen this trailer not once but twice. And I cannot wait to see what happens on the 9th of March 2018. So guys, mark your calendars. It's going to be very, very exciting. Karan, आपको तो पता ही है करण को singing, dancing का बड़ा शौक है, anchoring का भी बड़ा शौक है. So Karan, how was this experience different for you?
Well, first of all, wow, that was loud. You made me sound like a girl. You made like from the
Why?
film.
Boys sing and dance
But-
too. Come on.
No, absolutely. But first of all, guys, did you enjoy the trailer? भाई मजा आया नहीं आया? नहीं आवाज नहीं आई भाई. Trailer मजा अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा? Well, fantastic. That must be the Amazon team. But but I had a blast during the show. Let me tell you one thing. This is no less than a concert. This is barely a show. You know, I've worked on a bunch of shows, but the energy that this show has is something very brand new. And like Sunidhi mentioned, that the production quality and the entire setup of the show is very brand new. And the acts are really large, they're very beautiful. In fact, जब हम भी होते थे, हम भी I think कहीं ना कहीं audience ही बन चुके थे, more than a part of the show when we used to watch the entire act go live. So it was a fantastic experience, and you know, eventually the whole portal of digital is really blasting open, and it's really cool, and it's quite an honor to be a part of a property that is coming on a channel like Amazon Prime, and it's really cool. So I'm very happy to be associated with this, and of course to be a part of this panel.
Lovely. Well, thank you so very much. My questions are done, but I'm pretty sure the media has a ton of questions for all of you. So now we're going to throw the floor open to your questions. We request you to please keep the questions pertaining to the show. And we're ready to go. So anyone with a question for any one of our lovely panelists, please raise your hand, and we'll make sure we get a mic to you. Anyone? Yeah, we have our first question.
Hello, everyone. This is Russell from Moviefied. Amazing trailer. Really loved it. Sunidhi ma'am, my question is to you. The current scenario, the current market is overflowing with singing reality shows. There's a lot out there. Now, you all have said that this is different from what is currently existing. But how do you think the audience is going to respond, considering there's so much already out there? Was that at the back of your mind that it may overlap in the reach to the audience?
You know, I always believe that what you cater is what the audience is going to get. So you have to have faith in your product. You have to believe in it. And I believed in this. When I said yes to this show, I totally loved the format. I thought this is something that has never been done before. And the fact that it's on digital platform, it's on Amazon, it's a new thing by itself. The youth, not just the youth, but all age groups can connect to this show, because we are, again, doing Bollywood songs, but we are not just doing current Bollywood songs. We're also hitting the 90s. We're going retro in a couple of episodes. So you'll have everything catered to you in a proper plate. And that's what is the best thing about this show. Yeah, Yash.
This question is not for me, but I think I can add a little bit to this.
Please go ahead. We would love to hear from you.
So the majority of Indian audience is young. The majority of the Indian population is also very young. बहुत टैलेंट है हमारे पास, इतना टैलेंट है कि हम मैनेज नहीं कर सकते. एक और रियलिटी म्यूजिक शो से भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला. हमको कम से कम 20-25 और शोज चाहिए यहाँ पे. दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि ये शो जो बाकी के रियलिटी शोज हैं उनसे बहुत अलग है. यहाँ पे पब्लिक वोटिंग इसलिए नहीं होती है क्योंकि पब्लिक वोटिंग जब शुरू हो जाती है तो TRP बोलते हैं ना उसे, we call it TRP, right? Because of the TRP we have to add some unnecessary drama as well. There is none of that unnecessary drama in this show. It's purely about talent, it's purely about music, it's a completely new platform, which is the reason why it is so special.
My question is for Karan. You have hosted a couple of shows on Indian television. So when the makers approached you for a show like this, what was your reaction? You were a little apprehensive about signing it, because since it's a new medium.
Right. No, there was no apprehension at all. Yeah. In fact, I was very excited. Like I said, the future is the portal of web, and today all of us have phones in our hands, just like how you have a phone in your hand. And India is the fastest growing mobile network market. So it just makes absolute sense to jump into this and be ahead of the arc and, somewhere be a part of the future. So I was very happy when I got offered this show, and I was totally kicked about it, and it didn't take me any time to kind of, say yes to it, because it is a brand like Amazon, and most important, the concept of the show is very brand new. And when it was introduced to me that, there is no drama at all, like Nuclear said, and there is nothing that we're trying to create, which we call moments on the shows that we do. So it was a sigh of relief because, it is fresh for you also as a host, because जब आप host करते हैं, आपको कभी-कभी forcefully judges से चीजें निकलवानी पड़ती हैं, जो आपको लगता है खुद आप convinced नहीं होते. अगर, for example, Sunidhi, I've had the good fortune of working with Sunidhi on another show, so we flirted our way through the show. Sorry, when I say we, I have flirted my way with Sunidhi, not only because she's beautiful, but at times you know, that's the format. You know, I would have in all probability flirted with Nuclear and Amit also put together, you know, if I could. But I'm happy that none of that is there in this show, and that's the power of digital, because we're catering to people like you and me and everybody else here, you know. So so it was a fun show.
Thank you.
Yeah. भाई सारे मीडिया वाले बड़े चुपचाप बैठे हैं आज, क्या हो गया यार?
No, here,
Acha.
Sunidhi, Amit here, the center. Justin here from PTI. Sunidhi, this show is called Remix, and today the trend that we see existing in Bollywood is that we see a lot of rehashed version of popular old numbers coming back. As creative people, as a musician and as a singer, do you think it's sad?
Sorry,
The trend.
do you
the
think
trend.
it's what?
Do you think it's sad, the trend of reprise and rehashed versions of old songs coming back?
Let me ask this question to you. Do you think it's sad? As an audience, do you like it?
I like some of them, but not all. So that's
Exactly, that's the same answer. But in a way, for creators, especially for me as a composer, or I'm sure for singers also, it's sad. It's not exciting that we have to create something of someone else's track that has already been done before, somebody else's baby, which we would not like to touch actually, because that person's vision, that person's baby, it's very difficult to do it in a film format. Here we are talking about, this is a proper format. The show is all about the remix. So it works fantastically and beautifully here in a format like this. But yeah, for films, if you ask me, it is sad.
Sunidhi, here.
सॉरी यार मैं बार बार है ना बीच में घुस के कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. आई वांट टू ऐड टू दिस यार. द चक्कर क्या है ना कि हम जब रीमिक्स की बात करते हैं ना, तो मोस्टली वी लुक डाउन एट द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग अ रीमिक्स. और उसका कारण ये है कि ज़्यादा उसको उतनी तवज्जो दी नहीं जाती है. वी डोंट गिव इनफ क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम व्हेन द रीमिक्स इज बीइंग मेड. बट इफ यू लुक globally, the biggest music genre is hip hop, right? And hip hop शुरू ही ऐसे हुआ था कि एक बंदे ने एक रिकॉर्ड में से इतना लूप निकाला, इस वाले रिकॉर्ड में से इतना निकाला, इसमें से इतना निकाला, and that's how he made a completely new piece of music out of it, right? It's a process. It's a very beautiful creative process, but it will only happen beautifully if you will give enough creative freedom to it. Most of the time within the film space, that creative freedom is not given. Remixes को तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती है, पर बने हुए गानों को भी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है वो क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम, जो इस शो में हमको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने सबको उतनी क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम दी है.
Sunidhi, your version on the same if you would like to.
Same thing. I mean, कोई भी गाना अगर टेस्टफुली किया गया है, रीमिक्स बेशक आप कीजिए तो वो अच्छा लगेगा. Even I like a couple of songs, but I don't like most of them because they are just a repetition of what is already been done. लेकिन इस शो में, like Nuclear said, they are not just being remixed. Now remixing them is a very AMA term now, you know. अब उससे ऊपर वाली बात है. How can you, I mean, there are contestants in this show, they have actually made them sound new, like original compositions, by adding a few parts, by adding maybe a rap or maybe new composed, new written parts, you know, newly written parts.
Or like completely change the composition also. There's no problem.
Yeah, that's what I mean. And even in the track,
recreated it actually.
yeah, used elements, just different sounds, you know. It's coming, music basically is flowing from everywhere in the show, which is great, I think.
But Amit, have you ever been in a position where a producer asked you to recreate a popular number and you put your foot down?
See, I shouldn't be saying this in front of the media, but you guys are here, you're bringing things out of my mouth, but I'm being honest, yes, the pressure is only from the producers and labels. No composer, no singer would ever want to sing a remix. I don't know about others, but there are a lot of people I know who would not want to touch someone else's song. In films, I'm talking about it as purely a Bollywood. I'm talking about purely in films. It's the producer and labels pressure that we are catering to, and we have to, because we are part of that, we have to do that job. This question, you all should ask them why you guys are doing it. Trust me.
और इसीलिए रिमिक्स का शो शुरू किया गया है, ताकि हम सब लोग उतने क्रिएटिव बन सकें कि हम ये जो टर्म को जितना बुरा बना दिया गया है ना, उसको हम ठीक कर सकें.
And the fact कि DJ सिर्फ shows में, parties में नहीं play करते, they are talented people, they also are creative, they make music, they have their own minds. वो सब यहाँ देखने को मिलेगा because they'll be out there in the spotlight, and I think that's great because they've always been behind.
I'm not against remix. I'm only talking purely because you asked Bollywood. You use that term Bollywood. That's why. If it's as she said, like she said, if it's tastefully done, fantastically done, I'll be more than happy. If you, for example, there were songs like in 90s, there was Leslie Lewis had done one song. Was it that? Hi Tera Ghungta.
That was beautifully done.
He had completely reshuffled it and done a completely new twist. Then Black Eyed Peas took a song from Ilayaraja, and then there was Kaliyoga Chaman. But see the way they have done it. There was a lot of innovation and creative ideas that were put in, and they made it their own. Most of the time it doesn't happen. So if it's not done tastefully and it's lame, then why to do it? But check with producers why they do it.
सुनिधि आपके राइट में आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि आपने शुरुआत एक रियलिटी शो से की थी और पूरी आप जर्नी को कैसे देखती हैं और आपको क्या लगता है रियलिटी शोज़ के मायने कैसे बदले हैं, ट्रेंड कैसे बदले हैं, और कोई मेमोरी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें मेरी आवाज़ सुनो के वक्त की?
अगर आप मेरी आवाज़ सुनो की बात करें तो आपको याद होगा कि वहाँ कोई वोटिंग सिस्टम नहीं था, तो वो एक्चुअली रियलिटी शो नहीं था, बस प्योर कंपटीशन जहाँ पे जजेस का पैनल था और बेस्ड ऑन योर सिंगिंग मार्क्स दिए जाते थे और उस हिसाब से वो हुआ. तो मैं उसको नहीं काउंट करूँगी एज अ आई वोंट कंसिडर इट एज अ रियलिटी शो. बट या देयर हैव बीन मैनी आफ्टर दैट, और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि देयर आर सच प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर सिंगर्स टू कम अप एंड शो देयर स्किल्स. बट आई थिंक उनको टैकल करना नहीं आता है. अभी कुछ भी हो रहा है. इफ़ यू सी रियलिटी शोज टुडे देन it's more about their stories, where they've come from, उनके घर में चूल्हा जल रहा है नहीं जल रहा है. It's beautiful, but it has become only about that. हर कोई इंसान इस दुनिया में तकलीफ़ों से गुजरता है, लेकिन अगर वो एक शो पे आए जहाँ पे उसको अपना सिर्फ गाना दिखाना है तो सिर्फ उसी की बात होनी चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब वो कुछ कर दिखाए फ्यू एपिसोड्स में, फिर उसके बारे में अगर उसके बैकग्राउंड की बात हो तो मज़ा भी आएगा सुनने के लिए. लेकिन अगर वो अपने बैकग्राउंड वगैरह के बाद गा के फर्स्ट एपिसोड में निकल जाए देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट. सो जस्ट गेट रियल, गेट प्रैक्टिकल, मूव फॉरवर्ड. वी हैव इनफ टैलेंट लाइक निकला सेड, संभालना मुश्किल है बट उनको करेक्ट गाइडेंस नहीं है. दे आर मोर अबाउट देयर द अदर थिंग्स अदर देन सिंगिंग.
Hi. I got emotional there. Okay. You're right there. Hi. Hi, this is Keerti from IndianTelevision.com. My question is to Vijay. So, since you have used unique promotional strategies for Breathe and Inside Edge, so what innovations you are planning to add to promote the remix?
Well, we'll start with the music. I mean, that's the biggest innovation in the show.
So, what are your marketing strategies?
I don't want to bore everyone here with a 3-page note on what marketing strategies are. The fact of the matter is that it's high energy. So it's everything that we design is crafted after the story that we're creating for our customers. So this one's no different. It is high energy. It's incredibly innovative and experimentative, and those things will come to the fore. And we will use social media in a very significant way because I think that connects almost instantly with young people. And it starts stimulating a conversation. I think the biggest thing to keep in mind is that music unites people. We have diverse tastes in music, and that brings very high quality conversations. Each of us have a different point of view on the same song, on the same sound, and we are definitely going to take advantage of that.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Sana from Indian Express. So Nidhi, you just spoke about the reality shows, the changes, and Amit, you were also noticed by times when you started. So tell me, how much do reality shows actually help talent to bring forth? Nuclear said that we need 15, 20 more shows, but does it really help the talent to come and get more work?
See, at the end of the day, जिसमें वो बात है, that person will stay. वो कोई छुपा ही नहीं सकता. Even whether that person wins the show or gets out of the show at the earlier stage. और जिसमें नहीं है. I can only say that.
At least you're getting the visibility, which is there. At least the visibility is there, right? Otherwise, there's no visibility also.
Yeah, and just want to add to that. Sorry. इस प्रोसेस में जो भी सिंगर आते हैं, जो निकल भी जाते हैं शो से, उनका फिर भी बहुत फ़ायदा होता है, फिर भी उनको फाइनेंशियली वो बहुत शोज़ करने लगते हैं, छोटे छोटे, दे कम फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन्स, बट उनका बहुत ख्याल हो जाता है. तो आई एम ऑल्सो हैप्पी अबाउट दैट एंड आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी इज. सो प्रोज एंड कॉन्स दोनों है. वी वोंट गेट एवरीथिंग इन, यू नो.
Arijit Singh is a very good example of this, by the way.
Arijit Singh, Neeti Mohan, Monali Thakur, they're all so many of them. They're doing fantastically well today.
All right. Hi. Oh, here. All right. Hi, my name is Jigar. I'm from Mumbai Life. My question is to Vijay. So primarily 2 questions. First, will we see any local flavor in songs? I mean, by local, I mean any regional songs remixed in the same title as you're saying?
Yeah.
One. All right. And the second question is the biggest market after a digital would probably be downloading songs or songs available in the audio formats. Will that be available as well to the audience during or after the show?
So the answer to the first question is yes. And the answer to the second question is you'll just have to wait for another week for a couple of announcements to happen.
All right, thank you.
And I'm pretty sure you'll be very happy with them.
हेलो, आई एम नेहा फ्रॉम नवभारत टाइम्स. मुझे बस ये सवाल करना था कि ऐसा कोई सॉन्ग जो आप लोग मतलब इंडिविजुअली जिसको आप रिमिक्स करना चाहोगे, मतलब गाना चाहोगे.
गाना या रिमिक्स?
हाँ, मतलब वही उसकी रिमिक्स, कोई ऐसा फेवरेट सॉन्ग आपका.
मैंने तो अभी एक इंटरव्यू में बोल दिया था, मुझे अगर रिमिक्स करना हो तो मैं अमित का आगा बाई हल्ला मचाए रे, वो ऑलरेडी रिमिक्स्ड है, बट उसको कुछ उल्टा, विल गो बैकवर्ड्स मे बी एंड डू समथिंग अबाउट.
मेरा बीड़ी जला ही ले था.
थैंक यू.
No problem.
Could we hear you hum a few lines of any
Hello.
song? Great.
There's a request that has come in here, and a member of the audience wants Sunidhi to sing a few lines. Now, she will only do that if we really request her. So, guys, are we all up for it? Are we all ready? Please request Sunidhi to grace us.
Amazon team. So, क्या गाऊं? What do you want me to sing? Anything? Anything.
कुछ भी, आप कुछ भी गा दो, हम बस ready हैं. Okay, is there any request? Does anyone want to request? Oh, yes, yes.
बीड़ी जला ही ले.
There we go.
हो इतनी सर्दी है किसी काले हाफ ले ले, जा पड़ोसी के चूल्हे से आग ले ले, हो बीड़ी जलाई ले जिगर से पिया, जिगर माँ बड़ी आग है, डंग डिंग डिंग डंग डिंग डिंग डंग डिंग डिंग, धुआं ना निकारियो लब से पिया, धुआं ना निकारियो लब से पिया, जे दुनिया बड़ी खाक है.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sunidhi Chauhan. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you so much, Sunidhi.
Hello, madam. One minute. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Sunidhi ji, good evening. Everybody, good evening. I am Ramesh Rao from Cine Buster magazine. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से सुनता आपके गाने. मेरे ख्याल से आशा भोसले के पास आपका टच बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहा. This is a compliment to you. आपने शीला की जवानी वगैरह आइटम गाने में आप इतना अच्छा गाते हैं. So I am congratulations to the show people to bringing Sunidhi on this show. I am. अच्छा अभी मैं मेरा सवाल, मैं भी सुनते आ रहा हूँ पुराने गाने, तो आप इतना अभी रिमिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं. वो टाइम तो लोग बोलते थे, बहुत उल्टा सुल्टा बोलते थे, अच्छा गाने की वाट लगा दिया. तो आई होप वो चीज़ नहीं होगा जिस तरह आप लोग सब तारीफ कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिमिक्स ज़्यादा अगर आप सोचो तो आर डी बर्मन के गाने रिमिक्स हुए, क्यों होते थे? रिदम था. करेक्ट. ओपी नेयर के गाने रिमिक्स होते थे क्योंकि रिदम था. अभी वो बंगले के पीछे तेरी बेड़ी के रिमिक्स हुआ है गाना सब. तो प्लीज़ टेल मी आप कैसा क्या करोगे इसमें? आपके गाने के भी होंगे या और कुछ होंगे? अच्छा और एक बात, आजकल वही जुना गाना ओल्ड गाना भी वापस लोग ये कर रहे हैं. जैसा काबिल फिल्म में सारा ज़माना वो गाना वापस आया, तो वो भी एक ट्रेंड चला है. तो ना यू टेल मी आप मतलब कैसा क्या करो. और असली गाने को आपने बोला रेट्रो भी करेंगे, तो कोई लता का गाने की आप उसकी बिगाड़ तो नहीं दोगे? You please tell me.
So Sunidhi, I hope you're ready to answer all 7 questions.
या पहले किसका जवाब दूं?
पहला पुराने गाना होगा, रेट्रो का.
तो रेट्रो किया है, ओके 90s का भी रिमिक्स किया है इस शो में. मैं आपको इतना बता सकती हूँ, वाट नहीं लगेगी.
थैंक यू.
बाकी पता नहीं, क्योंकि ये पर्सनल चॉइस है. कुछ किसी तरह का रीमिक्स या फ्रेश अप्रोच टू अ सॉन्ग आपको पसंद आ सकता है या नहीं पसंद आ सकता, लेकिन वाट अगर लगनी होती तो हम तीनों नहीं होते उस शो में. तो आई प्रॉमिस यू वो नहीं हुआ.
सॉरी पर वो ना नजरिया की बात है सर. आपके हिसाब से वो वाट हो सकता है, पर हमको
जो ज्यादा म्यूजिक,
वही कह रहा हूँ. अगर एक किशोर दा का गाना है, कोई पुराना गाना जो 1950s या 60s में रिलीज हुआ, उसको अगर 2018 में कोई नए जॉनर के साथ मिक्स कर रहा है, तो उसको देखने का नजरिया अलग होना चाहिए. अगर आप स्टकअप हो के बॉस इसकी वाट लगा
नहीं लेकिन अगर म्यूजिक ज्यादा, कभी कभी म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट ज्यादा यूज कर लेते हैं तो ओरिजिनल.
सबका सुनने का नजरिया अलग है. जो आपको पसंद आएगा वो जरूर नहीं मुझे आएगा, और वो जो एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो वो नजरिया की बात है सर. वाट इज अ वेरी थोड़ा डिग्रेडिंग.
बट इट्स अ गुड थिंग फॉर यंगस्टर्स. आई कांग्रेचुलेट यू. अच्छा लगेगा हमें.
आई प्रॉमिस यू यू विल एंजॉय द शो. आप देखिएगा, है ना?
सो मच.
आज ही डाउनलोड.
थैंक यू.
Well, I hope that answers all the questions. We're going to take our final 2 questions.
I'll take it. Yeah. This is Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World. My question is to Nuclear. Nuclear is a genre. I would like to know who's been your inspiration. And yeah, because I'm your biggest fan as well.
मैं सब सुनता हूँ, मुझे सब सुनने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है. मैं हिंदी गाने भी सुनता हूँ, मैं तमिल गाने भी सुनता हूँ, मैं मेजर लेज़र भी सुनता हूँ, मैं स्क्रिलेक्स भी सुनता हूँ, मैं प्रोडिजी भी सुनता हूँ. मैं सब सुनता हूँ. मुझे सब जगह से थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं से जो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है मैं वो अपने गाने में इनकॉर्पोरेट करने का ट्राई करता हूँ. बट या आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ओपन माइंडेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यूजिक. आई लिसन टू एवरीथिंग. इनफैक्ट मैं रात को जब सोता हूँ तो भी मेरा म्यूजिक चालू होता है. दैट टाइम आई लिसन टू वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, बट इट प्लेज ऑल थ्रू आउट द नाइट. So I listen to everything.
So, who has been your inspiration? You know, when you started off and this thing came out.
I can tell you, my wife has been my biggest inspiration and support, since past 10-15 years now. In terms of music, as I said earlier, because I listen to so many different styles of music, I gather little bits and pieces from everything. It's very difficult to pinpoint at one.
Thank you so much.
All right, now I do know that we said one last question, but that last question is going to be mine, and it's going to go to Karan. Karan, of course, हमने शो के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. We need some inside scoop. Tell us about some inside fun stuff, and that's going to be the last question. So tell us, कुछ हमें gossip दीजिए. Come on, we're ready.
Well, you know, I don't know where to start from. Right?
Tell us about Nuclear, because he's hiding his face right now. We want to know.
Actually, you know, the fact of the matter is, and you know, at the risk of sounding like, you know, there's no masala in this show, but there is no the so-called drama that is created. Okay. Fact of the matter is कि हमारे show में actually कोई script नहीं थी per se. Other than the links and all, everything was being built on the spot, and we had these 3 very cool people, you know, on the other end that always patted back with a lot of things. But to very subtly put, you know, I think मैंने officially अमित त्रिवेदी सर की जो marriage है उसको बहुत risk पर लेकर आ गया हूँ मैं 2-3 बार, क्योंकि you guys have to watch the show, like अभी जैसे आपने सवाल पूछा इतना मतलब भारी वाला कि गाने रीशफल मतलब रीमिक्स वगैरह होंगे तो उनकी वाट तो नहीं लग जाएगी. तो अमित सर, because he is such a umda composer and producer of our industry, so he came back with a, you know, reply to save Sunidhi ma'am. But on the show, the first thing that he comments on is the smile of the contestants. How beautiful the girl is looking today.
Wow.
Believe it or not, I'm shocked, Galen. Did you not get a compliment just as yet?
I did not, and I'm actually
Amit sir,
feeling quite bad right now.
ये सब सोचेंगे मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. पर
I have requested Grey Matter and Amazon to edit all those things. I hope they have done that.
So Amit sir is the highlight of every episode. I'm not going to let him talk here also because he used to start off with that. है ना? Sunidhi, you wanna drop some load on
no
Nuclear?
No. नहीं.
Because
अमित के साथ मेरी फंसना क्योंकि जान पहचान तो हो गई है ना, तो कहीं भी
जान पहचान हो गई है।
बट जो है
हाँ जी।
वो ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग बहुत ही रियल है, मज़ेदार है, इट्स कम आउट नेचुरली, कुछ सोचा वोचा नहीं हमने,
और हमने कुछ क्रिएट भी करने की कोशिश नहीं की।
कुछ नहीं। और
हाँ
द फैक्ट कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो फ्रीडम है इसलिए ये हो पाया, नहीं तो नहीं होता। सो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट।
मतलब इट्स लाइक बातचीत बिटवीन, जिस तरह से हम बात कर रहे हैं उसी तरीके से पूरे शो को ट्रीट किया गया है। और कहीं पर
बातों बातों में फंसा दिया अमित को
एक्चुअली
basically।
बातों बातों में, एंड यू नो believe it or not, actually want to bring it to the notice of everybody here. Usually जब हम ये shows करते हैं, reality shows करते हैं, तो जो दिन की shift होती है वो 12 घंटे, 14 घंटे, 15 घंटे तक चलती रहती है और हम एक ही episode उसमें से निकालते हैं. But believe it or not, remix का हमने हर shoot scared 4 घंटे में रैप किया है. So it's as good as being a live show. You get to see it bang on. It is that energy, and that's what the contestants have done. And believe it or not, the best thing on the show is the talent. You know, everybody is talking about remixing and everybody is talking about कि किस तरीके से गाने remix होते हैं, हमें नहीं अच्छे लगते और लोगों का उन पे एक opinion होता है. But इस show में वैसे मेरा बोलना नहीं बनता क्योंकि music के लिए you know the judges have much more knowledge than I do. पर इस शो में वैसा नहीं है. इसमें ऐसा जिस तरह से आपने कहा कि पुराने गानों को हम खराब करते हैं, वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो you won't find any of that. They've actually, the contestants have really worked very hard. दो दिन में they have remade an entire track from making it sound absolutely brand new. तो जिस तरीके का आप गाना, जो गाने आपको ऑलरेडी पसंद है, वही गाने आपको ब्रांड न्यू एक साउंड में मिलेंगे. हो सकता है बहुत बारी ऐसा हुआ है कि हम खुद वो गाने को रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर पाते थे. I mean, जब तक वो गाना एक सर्टेन लेवल तक नहीं पहुंचता था कि कौन सा गाना है जिसको रीमेक किया है. तो I think that the content is what is really the driving force of the show, and I know it sounds very cliche when I say that, but the fact of the matter is it's very brand new, it's very refreshing, and this is something that the audience is going to witness for the first time on March 9th. That's all I got to say.
Brilliant. Thank you very much to all our panelists. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you thought that is it, think again. Speaking of talent on the show, we do have some of the very, very talented singers and composers who are going to be joining us right here. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for DJ Rink, for Yash Narvekar, for Akhil Talreja, Sri Rama Chandra, Rashmeet Kaur, Thompson Andrews, Akasa Singh, and the awesome Naved Khan and Skip. Let's have our amazing, very, very talented, they are some of the best in the industry. ये लोग already बहुत ही popular हैं, इनके gigs हमेशा चलते रहते हैं. These are the singers you know of already. The quality of contestants on this show is off the hook. So ladies and gentlemen, say hi to some of the faces you already recognize. These are our amazing participants on the show, and they're going to make sure you're going to have a great time come 9th of March.
Make some noise, guys. The strength of the show, the contestants. This is the remix.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead. This is your opportunity. The photo-op opportunity, go up there. And click, click, click. Here we go. We request all our judges and the contestants to please stand together so that we can get a beautiful picture of all of you that can go out. There you go. Smile. There you have it, friends. Mark your calendars. The first and second episode of the remix will premiere on March 9th, 2018, exclusively on Amazon Prime Video. This brings us to the end of this trailer launch. Thank you so very much to our amazing judges. Vijay, thank you so much. Karan, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
And give it up once again for the outstanding talent that we're going to be watching come 9th of March 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the remix. Please feel free to join us for refreshments after. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and good night.